Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today I'm going to continue with the KiwiCo Koala crate series. So this is the number 7 crate that we got for our kid. And today I'm going to unbox it. This is the catch and play. If you are first time here at the channel, after I unbox it, I'll also show you how you can get discount getting the subscription. But if you have seen our videos before, I have the timestamp underneath where you can just fast forward. So anyway, let's unbox this. Alright, the Discover magazine, catch and play, the how to play manual. Okay, looks like some sort of bag. Cards. Looks like stickers. Okay. Not sure how this will work, but we're gonna find out in a little bit what this does. Looks like veggie and fruit. Not quite sure what they do, but we'll find out. And also the Keelan's birthday cake. Our kid really enjoyed the Keelan's adventure books, and yeah, this is what we read to him every single month. And he always likes to revisit them as well. So this is a really good book to have. Alright, so anyway, this is all that they came with, and let me read up the instruction to see how to play with my kid. Alright, so this video is not sponsored by KiwiCo, although it's not sponsored by them, but I do have a referral code for anyone who sign up for KiwiCo and get $10 off their first purchase. So this is one of the way that you can save more is use the referral code. I'll put the code down in the description below so you can go check it out. Now another way that you can save is by having an extension that install onto your browser. Now I have Rakuten, I have Honey, and I also have the American Advantage. Now, what I have found that all three of them has some sort of either discount or cashback. The one that gives you the most is Rakuten with a 7.5% cashback. Now for Rakuten, I'll also put the referral code down in the description. So if you use it, you will actually get a $30 cashback when you first sign up. Yeah, it's a great way to save more if you shop a lot online to use Rakuten. Now Honey, on the other hand, it doesn't give all that much. It's 1% to 3%. So it's quite low compared to Rakuten. And the American Advantage, this one gives you airline miles. Now for this one, you get 7 miles per dollar that you spend. The cashback system is a little bit better than the getting miles, especially for those of you that doesn't fly. If you do fly, then maybe American Advantage is a better deal. All right, so let's talk about the gameplay. There are multiple ways to play this particular crate. Now, first up, you have the food prep. So first, you take out the sliced fruits and veggie and put them into the original fruit and veggie. For instance, you can take out the banana and put it back into the banana peel. Also, there are a bunch of strawberry slices which you can put inside the whole strawberry. And also the carrot sticks, you can put inside the whole carrots. And the broccolis, the smaller ones, you can put into the broccoli head. And also the egg into the egg shell. The second one is called the groceries bag. So this, you use the felt stickers and then you decorate your bag. Then you arrange the fruits and veggie around and make it into a pretend store. And then now what you need to do is take the groceries bag and go shopping. Now the last one is called play fridge. After you have done shopping, you have to put it into a fridge, right? What you can do is take the refrigerator sleeve and cover over the Koala crate box. And that way you can pretend to open up the door and close it. And now what you can do is match the fridge with the felt goods that you have lying around, such as eggs, broccoli, banana, strawberry, or carrots. Once you put them into the fridge and make plates of food based on the recipe card that they provided. So the idea of this play is to introduce the kids with different type of fruits and veggie, and to let the kids know how to create a groceries list and then go out and shopping for those items on the list, then come home and put it inside the fridge and then pretend play to create the meal out of the food that they just purchased. So this particular crate is pretty comprehensive in terms of the whole shopping and cooking experience. Of all the KiwiCo subscription box we have been receiving, I think this one is by far the most comprehensive and most enjoyable for my kid. For one, he really enjoys shopping. Whenever we go to a children's museum, he hangs around the most at the pretend store the museum will have. And also whenever we need to go out to shop for weekly groceries, he insists on coming along as well. So for him to be able to do that at home and not to go out, I think is the most convenient way for him to play, and also most convenient for the parents as well. So this is the KiwiCo Kitchen Play. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.